Hello, everyone. Today, my fire scientist friend Ethan will provide a historical perspective on the contributions of flame retardant-containing materials for residential structures.
Thank you, Zoe. And hello, everyone. During the mid-1970s, the United States had the highest fire death rate of all industrialized nations, at 55 deaths per million people. It was noted that 84% of these deaths occurred in residential structures. U.S. government agencies decided to tackle this problem. A committee of distinguished polymer and fire technology scholars was appointed by the U.S. National Academy of Sciences. These experts wrote a 10-volume report concerning the fire aspects of polymeric materials. Volume 7 of the report stated, "The present United States situation, with thousands dying and tens of thousands seriously injured each year in building fires, is not acceptable at this point in our history." Some of the key recommendations by those experts back in the 1970s included improvement of materials by use of new ingredients, additives, or combinations, and materials innovation with ingredients like flame retardants continues to this day. Improvement in material test methods, including new test methods to address emerging fire risk scenarios. Greater use of automatic detection and suppression systems, which are very effective safety tools indeed. Upgrading building codes, which is especially important since ever-evolving synthetic materials may present new fire risks for both occupants and firefighters. And educating the public for improved awareness to further help prevent tragedy. Over the past 50 years, robust efforts were undertaken for improved fire safety in buildings. The good news is that structure fires decreased dramatically during this time period. As of 2020, fire deaths decreased by 70% compared to the base 1970s level. Implementation of the government experts' recommendations provided significant safety improvement, especially when one considers that plastic materials usage increased from 35 million tons to 460 million tons during the same time period.
That's amazing, Ethan. Thank you. We have now learned that passive fire protection by flame retardant-containing materials within structures, furnishings, appliances, and electrical and electronic equipment have contributed to improved fire safety performance. Back in the 1970s, a government agency defined a serious problem which affected life and property. Through the concentrated efforts of government, academia, material scientists, fire safety professionals, and many others, significant improvements to fire safety have been achieved. For further information,